Hey folks, this is Anil and in my hand this is the Amazon Basic SSD, and as everyone know that the capability of shooting 4K video by the regular devices like Apple and Android devices is getting higher and higher. If you shoot the 4K 30 fps video approximate 5 minutes, then it can take the data up to 1 GB to 2 GB. So to store our data we need to have some option like SSDs to capture our movements and all the things. So in my hand, which is the smallest or cheapest SSD in the market, which is range approximate 3000 to 4000 in the market. So in this video we are going to see the real-time test of the this Amazon SSD, as well as will copy the data from laptop to the SSD and SSD to laptop, see the actual data copying speed of this SSD. So first we'll do the unboxing and we'll see what it is in the box. Let's open the box. So this is the basic box from the Amazon, and the Amazon Basics detail is given here. And in the back side we can see that it is imported by the Apparel Retail Private Limited, and the authority of the warranty is from the Amazon. So without wasting time, let's open it. So in the box some paperwork is given, and this is type C to type C cable for the data transferring, and this is the type C to type A cable. So there are two cables in the box and SSD itself. So I will keep aside. Let's move for the trial and we'll see the actual result. Hey folks, welcome again. Let's do the trial here. So I will show the SSD. So this is the 512 GB of SSD. Out of 512 GB, 10 GB is already used and 466 GB we can get with the SSD. So we'll do the real trial here. So we'll do the read and write speed with the Crystal Disk software, and let's try the test. So for the test we must say if the speed is above the 800-900 Mbps, then we must say this SSD can be used for directly for the video editing, as well as directly if you install the game inside the SSD, then we can directly play the games inside the SSD as well. So let's see what is the speed of the SSD. I hope the speed should be beyond the 900 Mbps, because company is claiming the speed is around 2000, but by actually it doesn't come the same speed. So my laptop is around 2 years old and the laptop shows the speed around 955 Mbps and write speed is around 927. So this is the actual speed from the SSD we get. So we will do one more trial, that this is the gaming copy, video copy. So this is around 544 GB. I will just send it to my SSD and then we'll see the speed. So we'll get the 600 Mbps speed by transferring the file from laptop to the SSD. So around good speed we are getting. Regarding the customer services, there is no customer service center or store is available in the India. We need to raise the ticket from the customer services from the Amazon, and they can raise the ticket after the checking of your SSD. They may replace your SSD. So this is the main drawback of this SSD for the Amazon product. We need to contact to the Amazon customer services, and then they raise the ticket, and after the checking within the period of 3 years they might change your SSD. So for the conclusion, I must say, if you don't have the budget constraint, you can go to the other SSDs as well, and if you have the budget in the range of 3000 to 4000, you may go for the 51 GB of SSD. So if you like this video, you may hit like button, and please do subscribe my channel for the more amazing content. Till time, goodbye. Thank you.